The WalkingPad R2 Folding Treadmill stands out as the best premium under-desk treadmill available in 2025. Designed to accommodate both walking and running modes, it caters to your exercise needs whether you're at home or in the office. The R2 model is a space saver, occupying 90% less room than conventional treadmills thanks to its innovative double folding design and smooth rolling wheels for easy storage. Controlling the WalkingPad R2 is flexible and convenient. You have three options: manual mode, using a remote control or the KS Fit app, and automatic mode that lets you adjust settings with your feet. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy frame, this treadmill offers enhanced stability. Its engine is more powerful yet quieter than previous models, delivering a smooth, almost silent workout experience. Safety and comfort are at the forefront with this treadmill. The EVA cushioning pad reduces knee impact, while the non-slip surface ensures reliable grip. It includes a safety clip and a front handle for added balance and an emergency stop function, enhancing your safety during workouts. The LED display is conveniently located to keep you updated on your speed, distance, and workout time. Moreover, when folded, the R2 is incredibly compact, measuring just 39.4 by 28.3 by 6.3 inches, making it easy to store next to your desk without taking up much space. Even when unfolded, it remains sleek at 57.1 by 28.3 by 40.6 inches. Whether you're tracking your steps or calories burned, the console provides all necessary metrics, ensuring you get the most out of every workout session. The WalkingPad R2 is an exceptional choice for those seeking a premium, space-efficient treadmill that doesn't compromise on features. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it all the way. Just a quick note: if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.